Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file for a DBA. A DBA, or doing business as, is a fictitious business name that allows you to operate under a name different from your legal business name. This registration is often a straightforward process, typically handled at the county or state level, and helps ensure transparency for consumers. It's a common step for sole proprietors and partnerships looking to brand their business effectively. Before you file, it's crucial to choose a unique and available DBA name. Start by performing a thorough name availability search, usually through your state's Secretary of State website. You should also check your local county clerk's records to ensure the name isn't already registered there. This step helps prevent legal issues and ensures your chosen name truly represents your business without conflict. Once you've confirmed your name's availability, the next step is completing the application. You can typically obtain the necessary forms from your county clerk's office or the relevant state agency website. Carefully fill out the form, providing your legal business name, address, and the fictitious name you wish to use. Don't forget to include the business activity and pay the filing fee, which is usually between $10 and $100. After filing, many jurisdictions require you to publish your DBA in a local newspaper. This publication typically runs for a few consecutive weeks, ensuring public notice of your new business name. You'll then need to file proof of this publication with the county clerk or state agency. Finally, remember that DBA registrations are not permanent. They usually require renewal every 5 years to remain active and valid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.